Yeah, man, it's Labor Day, man. I guess I'm gonna pull old May Rose out. Show my mama house, man. Help my pop. Pop say he wanted me to help him cook, man. So pull May Rose out. I know it ain't right, but I don't want her just sitting up in here, man. Just sitting here. So I'm go ahead and go ahead and drive it over there, man. Slow roll it over there and, you know, do it like that. But yeah, man, y'all know the vibe, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, man. All that good shit. And yeah, do it that way. Hit the notification bell too. But anyway, yeah, man, let me grab all this stuff, man, so I can go ahead, hop in traffic, man, and yeah. See y'all in a minute, man. Man, I done made it to mama house, man. Yes, sir. Hide and seek.
Man, always. What you drinking on?
Man, I was on my mama. I was drinking hen and shit. I was on my mama. God damn, man.
Is it the motherfucking cop put this on your video.
Damn, look.
You know what the fuck going on? That's what we do out here.
Damn.
In the city, in the country, this every day.
Man, hey. Man, I'm drunk in the motherfucker, man. Playing with these folks. Got these toys out here, man. They done gave me this PPP. But I gave the PPP, I put my car together. Look.
But I got some gas in this bitch.
Look, he got a PPP too. That's how he bought that head. Look. Yeah.
If I had a PPP, no, I had.
Fucker big, boy. Yeah, that's a big motherfucker, that boy. God damn. I thought it was a photo. Man. I'm gonna need some motherfucking fishing rods hanging out this motherfucker. Shit. That's a motherfucking yacht for real. Man, y'all know what's going on with my dog. What's up? Big Cayenne. Yes, sir.
Yo, man, y'all can't see me, dog. Yo, what going on, man? It's your dog, man. B-Lo back up in this thing with another one of them things, man. Wrinkle today, don't y'all worry about it. Don't y'all worry about that. That's beside the point. Yeah, man, so since y'all here, man, I really appreciate y'all coming through, man, checking out the vlogs, man. As y'all can see, man, I look a little beat up. I'm sure y'all probably seen that in my other videos too. Y'all was wondering, like, man, what the hell this B-Lo got going on? Well, I'ma tell you. So, about I say about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, I was outside dealing with the backyard, and you know, mosquitoes be out and all that good stuff. So I was peeling around the backyard. Matter of fact, I think I was peeling around the backyard because Ashley wanted to grill that day. I think that's what it was. Yeah, I think I did a story on it. We were sitting in the backyard, the lights was on, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I was back there cleaning up the backyard, trying to get it right for her. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause she wanted to get back there. All right, cool. So, like I said, mosquitoes and stuff was back there. So, I had a couple mosquito bites on me, and no, I ain't think nothing of it. Mosquito bite, everybody get them. You know what I'm saying? It's like everybody get those. It's not like uncommon thing. So, I mean, I had my spray on and all that. Still got hit in a couple places. Well, one place that I got hit was on the side of my head right here. Okay, cool. Well, at least I thought that's where I got hit. So, alright. So, okay. I goes to the barber shop, you know what I'm saying? Like my head swole up like a insect bite, mosquito bite, whatever. So, you know, I was thinking like, yeah, it's a mosquito bite. Well, turns out it may have, well, after a while, when it was going through the phases of the bump or whatever, I was like, wait a minute, something ain't right. Like, maybe I got hit by a spider or something. But then I was like, nah, cause it'd be red if I got hit by a spider. So what's going on? So kinda going, and it's sore. Like the bump is sore. So I'm like, man, what is going on? And I need another battery that fast. So long story short, man, cause I ain't finna keep dragging this on. But long story short, I don't know if it turned into a boil or that's what it already was, but yeah, I got a boil on the side of my face. I done had boils on my leg. Never had a boil on my face, man. So that's kind of, you know what I'm saying? Kind of weird to me. Kind of awkward, but it is what it is. But anyway, it done busted, ruptured, whatever you want to call it. And I'm about to run to this minor emergency, man, and run to this minor emergency, man, and see if I can get this taken care of, man, because it got my whole, like, y'all can see my face over here swollen and everything. So, I'm about to go try to deal with this, man. So, Baptist Minor Medical. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. I ain't no business. Say clinic. I guess I'm going there. I need to wash this car, but it's gonna rain like all week, so I'm not wasting time to do that. But yeah, man, let me go in here and see what they got going on, man. Yeah, man, we back. I'm just coming out. Hold on. Damn, man. I doing a tripod, something like. So, man, I'm just coming out the doctor, man. So they didn't beat me up, man. I ain't get to squeezing them and all that. They prescribed me some antibiotics, but he said after taking the antibiotics, man, if it don't go down a little bit, like if it ain't going down, to I'm gonna have to call the surgeon in the morning, man. They gonna have to cut this joint out. So yeah, I don't wanna deal with all that shit. I do not wanna deal with all that shit. But hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. I might call him in the morning. I might not, man, because I really don't like nobody cutting on me, man. But at the same time, it's gonna make it better, man. I gotta do what I gotta do. So, yeah, man, we headed back to the high, man. I don't even know if I'm gonna pick the camera back up today because I don't know what's gonna transpire, but let me call my job and let them know. And yeah. This is where we at, man. This is what we've been reduced to. A boil on the face.